Namaste, Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon to all of you. My name is Laksh Kumar Muchandani and in this lecture I am going to tell you about CPEC, means China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. So I hope that you will watch this my video till end. So before starting my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. So now let's start. So CPEC means China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. So you can understand that China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. What is the meaning of that word CPEC? So for understanding CPEC, we have to understand about the map of Pakistan. I have drawn a map for you about a map of Pakistan and the map of different countries which are surrounded by Pakistan. So Pakistan is in the center of India, China, Afghanistan and Iran. So you can say that Pakistan shares its border from India, China, Afghanistan and Iran. And in the south of Pakistan there is Arabian Sea. And I had also drawn some directions to understand you properly. So India is in the east direction, you can see. India is in the east direction, China is in the northeast direction and Afghanistan is in the northwest direction and Iran is in the west direction, but Arabian Sea is the south of the direction of Pakistan. So here are some other countries. So here is Central Asia. So after China, so the upper portion of China, so there is Russia. My board was quite little, so that's why I can't draw the map of Russia. So on the upper side of China there is Russia. And here is the sea of China known as South China Sea, like our Arabian Sea which lies here from Karachi, you know that. So after here Iran, there are some Arab countries known as Dubai, Saudi Arabia, etc. So now our topic is that CPEC. So now what is CPEC? You all know that CPEC is China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, but how it is made, how it is formed. So CPEC is a corridor. You all know corridor means is a way to travel from one border to another border of a country. So China wants to trade with the whole world. China wants to trade with the whole world and make a business in the whole world. So China can also go from India, but India doesn't give him permission to move from India. So because when China will move from India, so China easily can move from Arabian Sea, but it's on India, so India doesn't give him permission to move from it. So China can also goes from South China Sea because it is not landlocked country. Landlocked country is a country which is fully locked by other countries, like our Pakistan. Pakistan is not landlocked country because there is Arabian Sea, so we are free. But you can say that some countries are landlocked countries, in which means in their west, north, south, east, in their all directions they are countries. So means it is in the center of that countries. So that is landlocked countries. So China is not landlocked countries. So China is having his sea, South China Sea. So China can also go from there and can also make trade with the whole world. But it is not that much famous sea that Arabian Sea is. So China can also go from there, but when China will pass the South China Sea, his sea, so after South China Sea there are some little islands like Thailand, Bangkok and etc. So they also can't give permission to China to move, because of why they are under America, and America don't give permission to China to trade with the whole world, because America wants that I want to trade with the whole world. So China wants that I want to trade with whole world. Because of the trade war between China, when the world war, after world war happens, so the winner was America and Russia, so they was winner. So after Cold War is a war that happens indirectly, not directly, indirectly. So in Cold War Russia was defeated and obviously America has won. So on second hand there is China. China wants to trade with the whole world, but America, on the other side there is America. So there is a trade war, and a trade war started in 2018. So the president of China known as Donald Trump means you can say that it has given tax, it has given tariff on the China's good which are traded, which are imported by America. So China's president known as Xi Jinping, so he also means gives tax, he also gives means tariff to the American goods which were traded to China. So that's why the goods of China, the materials of China are very expensive and the materials of America are also very expensive. So that's why they are fighting with each other. So China also want to trade with the world. So the Thailand and Bangkok and other countries which are before the South China Sea, they are under America because they are very little countries. They are not having that much sources which our Pakistan is having. So they are under America and America can't give permission to China to trade with the whole world. So China cannot go from India. China cannot go from his South China Sea. And imagine that when China will pass his South China Sea, so obviously there will be Thailand, Bangkok, and imagine that he will pass the Thailand and Bangkok, but after Thailand and Bangkok there is little portion of India. So how can it pass? This is India. This is India. There is little portion of India. So how India give permission to China to pass our country? So that's why India can't go from South China Sea and China can't go from India. So now other way is what, that China can also go from Afghanistan because here is Afghanistan, Kabul. So China can also go from Afghanistan, but China doesn't go from Afghanistan because the situation of Afghanistan is not good. Means the situation of Afghanistan means is very bad. You can't say that. So China, it might be danger for China. So China can't go from here. So what is the other way? China can't go from here. China can't go from here. China can't go from here. So what is the remaining? Only Pakistan. So that's why China had taken permission from Pakistan that can we pass your country to trade with the whole world, to pass Arabian Sea. So Pakistan said yes. So that's why China is making CPEC. So now CPEC is a way on which China comes to Pakistan for trading, and it starts from here and ends from here. So this is known as CPEC. So there is also profit of Pakistan in CPEC. There is also profit of China in CPEC. So how there is profit of Pakistan in CPEC and how there is profit of China in CPEC? So that is why, because when China goes in Pakistan to trade, so there is a profit of Pakistan. How? That when China pass Pakistan, so China will give tax. Obviously China will give tax. And when China will pass from, you can say that China will pass from here and the journey of China will end from here. So it quite be long journey. You can say that it means it is very long journey. So obviously China will stay in some hotels, in some rooms, because it's not possible that they are starting their journey from there and ending their journey from there. So it's not possible. They want some rooms, they want some hotels. So they are coming Pakistan. So obviously there is not China's hotel, there are Pakistan hotel. So they will purchase the hotels, they will purchase the rooms by giving the money to Pakistanis. So in that thing there is profit of Pakistan. And the other thing is that when China is traveling from here to there, so China also needs food, because it's not possible to live without food and water. Food and water are very important for our life. Without them we can't be alive. So China also want food and water. So from which country China can purchase food and water? Obviously if China is passing through Pakistan, so obviously China will purchase the food and water from Pakistan, from Pakistan's hotel, from Pakistan shops. And the other profit is that the things which China wants, like the juices or these other things, these other materials, these other stuff. So from which country China will purchase? Obviously in Pakistan, because China is passing Pakistan. And the other thing is tax. So this is the profit for Pakistan, that China is making CPEC in Pakistan. So why Pakistan had given permission to it? Means China can't go from here, can't go from here, can't go from here. So Pakistan had given him permission, so that's why they are friends. But why Pakistan had given him permission? Because there is much importance of CPEC in Pakistan. But now you can think that China is purchasing a lot of money to Pakistan, so it might be loss for China. So you are thinking wrong. It cannot be dangerous for China, because what thing China is coming to us? Obviously China is coming to us for trading. So the money which China had purchased to Pakistani government, so obviously when China will complete their journey and China will reach here from Gwadar to here, so obviously China will trade with the whole world and will get double and triple of that money which China had given to Pakistanis. So that is also profit of China. So that is the lecture of CPEC. I hope that you had understand easily, because it's quite easy, and mainly it is means it is having importance for CSS or PMS. So I hope that you had liked my videos and subscribe to my channel. So in this video, till this, meet in our next video which is coming very soon. So till then, goodbye.